Ya lize lafika ke lo langa namuhla ku-22 March iqembu le-Orlando Pirates bavakashele iqembu le-Tusker Galaxy la eMbombela siyami umdlalo into yokuqala nje maduzane sathemba ke sabona umdlalo omkhulu bese lukhulunywa ngalo mdlalo ukuthi iqembu le-Tusker Galaxy kanjani fanele into kahle ukuze ukuthi baqhubeke bahlale ku-top 8 kanti Pirates under pressure funeka bawine ukuze bavale igap basemuva nga 2 point ku-Sundowns badlala iqembu le-Tusker Galaxy ledlala kahle kakhulu la eMbombela Stadium sibabona ke balandzeli bakhona banyenti la as the coach ekude umdlalo seMbombela Stadium sibona umdlalo omkhulu emkhathini iqembu le-Tusker Galaxy ne-Orlando Pirates yokuqala sebesiva nje balandzeli ukuthi bawubona kanjani lo mdlalo nje ubona baqhamuka ngetinkala selibayeda bathosapota iqembu elikhulu Orlando Pirates neqembu lalekhaya i-Tusker Galaxy namlandzeli ke lomnye iqembu le-Orlando Pirates iqembu lakho li-under pressure namuhla ukuthi finale winenda kanjani ngipha i-Tusker Galaxy imidlalo imbombela iyashayana.
Mina ngicabanga ukuthi iPirates kufanele le game leyiwine ukuze ukuthi khona ukubona ukuthi iyaphambili ngale league. Ngabe into ihluleka kuloko into bayine problem ukuthi i-league nayo iyahamba. Namhla is a deciding game ukuthi iPirates nayo i-Sundowns iyahamba ace.
And then musuyabuka iqembu le-Pirates badlala under pressure sibonile le game yokugcina against Sowelele musuyabuka angeke baphazamise ukuthi i-Tusker Galaxy babonile.
No, ita baphazamisa ngoba lo coach wethu lona angathi iPirates faka ama professional player asithi ukuthi laba kulo mtejana abasi right ba right mara qala nge-winning game ngoba mina ngiqaka lo coach wePirates ubuye le overseas bebangaqaba ufake 1 fake 2 bebafaka the first lineup then yalo nakafika kuPirates wanchinje sofaka lo
manje ngiyabona uphesa isitulo
ntombi yami
Kodwa mesha kahle tovela kahle kakhulu. Mina ngibona combo nayibona combo.
Usanzi game.
Yabo ikhombo ke le.
Asilu ace. Asilu ace. Lokubalekile ukuthi lokhu kwesihlanganisa singema team sibe unite njenge ANC ngeAFE. Then lokho ngiyo lokubanga
then putting bani wakuphi ubuya kuphi?
Mina ngibuye eTonga kaHoyi.
Umlandzelo okukhulu beqembu lena sephi.
Mina landzele i2 ngina 2 ema team. Ngine the Bees ne-Orlando Pirates.
Ya sibonga kakhulu ke iqembu.
Leqala ngile the Bees. Then ngoba i-Orlando Pirates ase-Jones. I-the Bees asenkomazi e-provider ukuthi sina sibe ngila. Mara nethi ukuthi bekufanele ukube bakhonile bakufake the Bees bafake Pirates bekuba ngilo.
Ya sambona ke mlandzelo iqembu Orlando Pirates aphinza futhi afavor iqembu lalekhaya lale nkomazi inaste Bees basilibona dlala pha nje Mutsipe Foundation championship kepha nje uyathemba ukuthi batonda kahle kakhulu namuhla uyakhala ngeliqembu ukuthi i-coach ma-selections akhe akawini kahle asembe ke ukuthi after le game balandzeli bel-Pirates bathi jabule nje basibabona ba-under pressure ukuthi nakanjani bawine namuhla sebesikhulumisana nabo balandzeli before lo mdlalo sibeve bathini siphinde sikhulumisane nabo sayiphelile futhi le game sibeve ukuthi babone njani lo mdlalo nje basibona umdlalo lomkhulu namuhla nabo balandzeli asesibeve ya ngahle kakhulu sabona iqembu le-Orlando Pirates idlala iqembu le-Tusker Galaxy kepha nje ngibona umlandzeli Kaizer Chiefs uTeto usupporta liphi iqembu?
Tusker Galaxy supporta yona lethi usingibrikela abantu bangahambi kakhulu.
And then wena usupporta liphi iqembu kanti futhi ubona njani umdlalo wanamuhla?
Siyowina nga-2-0.
Ngiyabona ushaye kahle mani wenta kanjani ukuze kube so sabona ukuthi kuba mnanzi kakhulu noyithula indlela imeshe ngakhona.
Ya mina ngandlela ngimeshe ngakhona ngibona ukuthi i-team ilibhakaniya iyahamba vela that is why ngize ngabopha nanelithaya ngisho ukuthi ngi-dangerous.
Niyathi ukuthi nje ngabangqoke kahle so uphinde bene account ye-Betway utothola 20,000 mhlawumbe bangakhesa ukuthi i-friend of the day.
Hayi cha lokho besingakwati lokho ke nale account ya Betway asinayo thina.
So sengaba ude mara bangabona ugqoke kahle betokuwinisa bese uthola 10,000 kepha sembe ke usufuna ube phambili batokhona ukubona sabona ukuthi niyawuthanza amaqembu ene-Pirates endleleni ngakhona sembe ke ukuthi after game akeke bese niyakhala.
Ukukhala angeke sikhale ngandlela lengibuka ngakhona mine ibhakaniya ihamba nga-2-1.
Uyoshaya bani magoli?
Ibhakaniya iwina nga-2 i-TX itabe ina 1.
Ngubani boshaya amagoli e-Pirates?
Mfukeni ngimfaka na Dienot sengimfaka na Maswanganyi.
Ya seva ke iqembu le-Pirates sukusela bonke sikhuluma nabo bathemba ukuthi batowina kanti bamthemba futhi Mfukeni labaningi sele balifaka igama la Mfukeni babhakaniya ke lawa sesikhulumisana labalandzeli labanye ke sibeve ukuthi bathini ngaphambi komdlalo. Asibonge. Ya siyathi ke kunemidlalo omkhulu lokhona namuhla iqembu le-Kaizer Chiefs liwinile nga-2-0 bashaya lapha nje iqembu le-Orbit kusho ukuthi benta kahle kakhulu sabona bakhona namuhla batebukela i-Tusker Galaxy idlala i-Orlando Pirates yini lesikalizela kini namuhla nje basathi ukuthi namba kahle 2 games in a row niwinile kepha nje sibona i-Tusker Galaxy dlala i-Pirates yini lesikalizela kini namuhla?
Thina simakhosi sifisela iGalaxy ukuthi ngathi ingaphumelela i-team sokazi ubuya eMzinti ngihlala khona eMzinti sisuka khona eMzinti so supporta iGalaxy ukuthi siwine simakhosi
Usini ke
thina asikabananga thina ne-TS Galaxy namhla sila sibambe TS Galaxy
ebina ngaka TS Galaxy
TS Galaxy nje kusekhayelayo itoshayela nje 2-0 abatholi lutho ingabe ihluleke lokho ayibaphe nethi draw.
Yeah, sathivela ke
No
balandeli
news for TS.
belicembu iKaizer Chiefs bakhona labo to support iqembu leTS Galaxy ukhumbuthe nje iTS Galaxy akhona la ekhaya ngiyelesi iqembu leYondo Pirates tobona ke emva kwalomdlalo ukuthi batojabula yini asesive nabe bebhakaniya emabhakaniya sayibona kwanyalo semuva nga 2 point na kanjani under pressure namuhla especially iTS Galaxy ekhaya iyashaya
Ibhakaniya iyashaya yawina today sobashaya nga 3-1
ngoba lolu sesibangashaya amagoli namuhla
Tito Mphukeni uMahoko.
so iTS Galaxy ayisabi especially iyashaya namidlalo embukweni
No angisabi ngane kakhulu iTS and manje sengiyoshayela lokuthi vele nabo abosiduma ngabantu
Akekho abongile
sesive sesinsini nini
abongile Tom.
oh abale uthini
Siyabashaya namuhla
bashaya kangaki
3-0.
yeah seva ke balandeli beqembu leYondo Pirates bathemba ukuthi batowina namuhla batoshaya iqembu leTS Galaxy lebaye basinga 3-0 lebaye basinga 2-1 but which team is favoring today?
Orlando Pirates
How many goals can you see them score today?
4-0.
Who are the scorers?
Evidence Mahopa Mbatha u2 lelesi 3 izoshaya umremi
And then niyawina namuhla.
namhlanje siyawina.
Seva ke balandeli abaningi kwanyando beqembu leYondo Pirates bayathemba ukuthi batowina sathemba ukuthi sobona egcineni ukuthi baqinisile yini ngoba iTS Galaxy yathi ukuthi yashaya ekhaya babona ke balandeli abaningi ebasaqhamuka sokukhulumisana nabo sibeve ukuthi bathini before umdlalo uqala siphinde sibalanze futhi after the game sive ukuthi nje baqinisile yini.
Yabona mangithi Orlando Pirates to win asikhulumeli mhlambe ngenxa ukuthi iperformance yayo sinabantu abaziyo ini ileague njengomakhehleni Makhawula uzosiphathela ini igame Orlando Pirates so the rest will follow. Thank you very much amabhakabhaka.
Sibonge kakhulu ke iqembu leYondo Pirates under pressure namuhla ukuthi ufuna bawine kanjani le game nje basibona ukuthi basemuva nga 2 point asembe ke ukuthi balandeli batojabula namuhla ngoba bathemba ukuthi iqembu labo batoshaya iqembu leTS Galaxy la ekhaya kepha nje sathi iTS Galaxy imidlalo embobela seyami strong kakhulu iyashaya ayidlali sokuqhubeka ke sikhulumisana nalabanye abadlali sikhulumisana nebalandeli before ukuthi umdlalo uqala sive ukuthi nje babona kanjani. Yeah, mlandzeli weqembu leTS Galaxy, what can you expect today, especially we are playing at home against Pirates who won 3 points?
Today we're going to take 3 points exactly. We're going to score 2. Mbunjana is going to score 1, and then Zindonga.
Because your position to be on top 8 is very important today, but Orlando Pirates they want 3 points so that they can close the gap to Orlando Pirates to Mamelodi Sundowns because Sundowns are number 1 with 2 points.
Yes, but they want to win, and they are going to win also. So we're going to take 3 points today.
The scorers, who are they?
Zindonga and Mbunjana.
Yeah, somebody can menzela iqembu leTS Galaxy yathemba ukuthi batowina kusimbunjana ecaptain azindonga batoshaya amagoli eqembu leTS Galaxy ushaya le sign yeah satumuza phika kahle lebo ngibone kahle
Siyatumuza.
yeah satumuza ke iqembu leTS Galaxy sitholile ke balandeli bathemba ukuthi nabo batowina usuyoshaya sidunga kayi futhi necaptain Mbunjana sibe labanye ke balandeli ukuthi bayibona njani nomdlalo sabona nje balandeli abaningi bafikile ngetinkani sinemhlatifu futhi kude temidlalo umdlalo omkhulu kakhulu Orlando Pirates under pressure egazi iTS Galaxy under pressure nayo ukuthi maintain lo top 8 njengawe lo lezala ibhola kakhulu yini sikalizela ku nomdlalo lo yini sikalizela
Singalindela a very tough match. I mean, home ground for iGalaxy. Nabo they're under pressure with they have to perform because abalandeli baphume ngobuningi babo kuzobaseka. At the same time, as you can see, ukuthi maniga abalandeli be Orlando Pirates they come from different parts of provinces athile. So it's gonna be a tough one. It's not gonna be easy. We can expect a stalemate or at least 1-1.
So ipressure ikahle kahle umuyibona wena iPirates noma iGalaxy.
Ungasho ukuthi iGalaxy obviously na iPirates kune pressure because remember ukuthi Sundowns isingaphezulu kwabo. So they have to cover iSundowns. So if they miss if behlule emhlalweni namhlanje then it's okufana ukuthi well they've lost the league.
Yeah, ngwena Sipho ke Hadebe emhlatiwe lebhola nyawo uphinza wena lokunyindi ebholeni nyawo uyasho ke ukuthi ipressure komabili amaqembu asithembe-ke ukuthi sobona umdlalo omnanzi njengoba ubona solo sikhulumisana nabalandzeli nabahlatiyi siphinde futhi sibuye sigocode uma sephelele lo mdlalo sobe sikhulumisana nabo nje basibona wonke umuntu solo eqhubeka bangena nje basibona lemva kwami solo baqhamuka batobuka umdlalo omkhulu into yokuqala nje maduzane ngo-3:30 silenzele umdlalo omkhulu lomnanzi emkhathini TS Galaxy neqembu le-Orlando Pirates ngephela kusho ngako ngisho ukuthi amagoli atoba khona angikho ukuthi ngiliphi iqembu lowina kepha amagoli ngisho ukuthi atoba khona as the coach esosikhula la eMbombela Stadium nje basibona ukuthi umdlalo omkhulu sotoqala nje maduzane sinebalandzeli-ke beqembu le-Kaizer Chiefs ne-Sundowns i-Sundowns inobolo bani etafuleni nga-2 point kaze bawine i-league 8 years in a row iqembu le-Pirates banelithuba ukuthi le season le bangayishaya iqembu le-Pirates lincoma iqembu le-Sundowns bengibo basasa i-league solo na-dominator noma sekufike Miguel Cardoso esonela kahle kakhulu kepha lamalanga i-gap asafanana nemidlalo lehlala siyibona every season i-gap sencane nyalo uma ingawine iqembu le-Pirates namuhla banithola futhi kepha yini esikalizela kule game le especially kini be-Sundowns.
Greetings to the Masandawana family and to my fellow South Africans. The gap is not that much like last season, which means there is competition. So our schedule is very tight, but in order for us to continue grinding and going forward, there has to be someone who is pushing us. They were holding the umbrella for the past 3 seasons for us. So they will continue to hold the umbrella. We are back on top. So the song is on Mamelodi Sundowns. We are the one who is detecting the tempo of the league. They are determined to win the league because to win this game. Because if they don't win this game, it's gone because it's already gone. There is Miguel Cardoso. He tried to change the philosophy of the team. Our own style of play is Shushan and Piano. Without Shushan and Piano, we are going nowhere. So Amasandawana, we are going forward. We are not meaning. We are not here to mean. We are just here to watch football. But we are fully behind TS Galaxy. I'm here with the chairperson of the Sundowns branch at Babaton, and I'm a member of Nkomazi branch at Nkomazi. So we are here to watch football, but I'm definitely sure 3 points will be here in Bombay.
Mphasi njengoba sathi ukuthi TS Galaxy inemathuba ukuthi iyadecide ukuthi league yakuphi because badlala ne-Pirates namuhla and also igame yokugcina la Mbombela badlala ne-Sundowns.
Yeah, longakusho ukuthi bangadlala kanjani, bangadlala not bangadlala 1-1 or bangadlala i-Galaxy ngayiwina or i-Pirates ngayiwina, but ekugcineni i-Sundowns itowina sasinzebe. Kwamanje focus yethu ayikho siku-Champions League manje namuhla, and good luck like kulawo to winner today lana, but sina siku-Champions League.
Sinemlandzeli iqembu Kaizer Chiefs 2 games in a row ngiyawina nishaya iDurban City 1-0 nashaya i-Orbit nga 2-0 sambona Mfundo Vilakazi wangena into emehluko namuhla ke kudlala i-Pirates ne-TS Galaxy usapota liphi iqembu?
I'm here for TS Galaxy. All we want is just our number 2. That will be a league for us. So if we get number 2, we are fine. As long laba betipoko baku number 3, we are fine with that.
So sinekebudlelwane ne-Sundowns.
Today, me and Sundowns, we are one.
So unenzaba ukuthi i-Pirates ifuna inqamule i-Sundowns wawina i-league 8 years in a row.
It's better ukuthi ngawina i-Sundowns, hayi Pirates. We will be fine with that.
Yes, vile ke balandzeli beqembu le-Sundowns chairperson webranch laseBabaton we-Sundowns bese mlandzeli omkhulu weqembu le-Kaizer Chiefs basapota iqembu le-TS Galaxy namuhla kulo mdlalo towasibukela asathi-ke ukuthi usiphatheleni kepha nje sotoniketa abantu abaningi sebesikhulumisana nabo siphinde futhi senze abaqeqeshi nebadlali after the game sive ukuthi babona njani as the coach sosikhula lana eMbombela Stadium TS Galaxy against Orlando Pirates. Yeah, sabona ke iqembu le-Orlando Pirates solo sibuka umdlalo wabo into bebadlala ne-TS Galaxy bavakashile la nibanibona la emva kwami akhona nje emagusi iqembu le-TS Galaxy into fika ndothenga la nhle nani nihlale nje nibe kahle sinemhlati-ke welibhola letinyawo uphindza futhi abiyi-presenter lapha nje eBCRFM Bonkosi King B sabona umdlalo lomkhulu namuhla i-under pressure iqembu le-Orlando Pirates semuva nga 2 points TS Galaxy nayo ifuna wina shock siya-maintaina iposition yabo top 8 zini sikelizela namuhla.
Asibingelele Mr. AC sibonga kakhulu isikhathi losipha sona njengoba sila namuhla eMbombela Stadium. Angicale nje ngibonge isupport abantu labanyeni ngale ndlela isupport inyenti ngayo ngicabanga ukuthi Orlando Pirates ifuna ekuthatha amaphuzu lamathathu kuyoba madima ngeke kube lula khumbula sibadlala neqembu lakhona la ekhaya eMpumalanga le hosta la eMbombela Stadium. I think lokho kuyobenda babe ne pressure leningi. khumbula ukuthi i-TS Galaxy ina number 12 lomuhle bakhona lamanye amaqembu la ngafisi kubona i-Orlando Pirates iphumelelo kodwa umcecesho leqembu le-Orlando Pirates nguye lo decide ukuthi usebenzisa kanjani starting lineup sakhe ubukhumbula ukuthi kunemidlalo imbuthuma akendi kahle kuyodependa ukuthi uyamcalisa noma ucalisa mahopa kube kuyangami ngingcoach bengomthatha mbuthuma ngimbe ngaphandle ngicalise mahopa ngoba isipiliyoni esinamahopa sinyeni kakhulu ngidlula mbuthuma
and then umsobo wasefaka ngufaka nje inhloko yakho etafuleni ubona liphi iqembu liwina namuhla ubona i-win or i-draw
ngicabanga ukuthi iqembu le-Orlando Pirates asikhulume sibe honest ngaphandle ukuthi ngifeva iqembu le-TS Galaxy iqembu le-Orlando Pirates lingahle liwina khumbula ukuthi lo 2 point wegap lo lapha etule etafuleni ngilo into lefuna ukuthi bakhuphuke ngayo ngoba i-Sundowns njengoba ingakhona ikudlala iku-CAF bona bofuna kucinzetela ukuthi abawina le game le ukuze ukuthi i-team le yodlala neliqembu le-Sundowns kule game lelandzelako bakhone ukuthi bayidlele bona i-dependence yabo nyalo isekuthenini liqembu nelicembu lelidlala ne-Sundowns kumele libabambele lelo qembu sesiyobona ukuthi namuhla tinvo tomateni kanjani kodwa liqembu lo Orlando Pirates angithathi ma chance bangahle bawine lo mdlalo khumbula ukuthi igame yabo yekugcina badlala khona la eMbombela Stadium ku league kula season bawina beqembu le Orlando Pirates akusho ukuthi kudliwa ama team lamancane angeke bakhona kumaintain batowina bhuti wami singaze nje sibuke lokuningi kodwa cabanga ukuthi angeke kubelula ngoba liqembu le-TS Galaxy uma lidlala ekhaya bafuna kumake sure ukuthi bamaintaina leyo position ukuthi liponti lisale ekhaya noma bathola amaphuzu lamathathu
yes vile ke mhlatiki King P lo wakho lapho lapha eBCR uphindze futhi naye unepage lakho utholakala kuphi before bafuna ukulandzela
ya sitholakala lapha epagini le-BCR FM sikhona bangena nje ba-check i-BCR FM batothola tonke temidlalo nami bangena epagini lami silindele unkosinathi bakhona ukuthola tonke temidlalo ama-update ngesports mnaketfu sihamba phambili mina ngibongela wena nje i-podcast yakho ngiletinye tetinvo lethihamba phambili ngibukile nje uma ngithi ngibuke ama-followers ngiyabona ukuthi umsebenzi wakho wenta kahle ngicabanga ukuthi loko ngiko lokuphakamisa ligama lakho as the coach
asibonga kakhulu mhlatiki aphiza futhi abi-presenter unalokuningi kuto temidlalo besibuka imidlalo lotoba uqala maduzane Orlando Pirates ivakashile ke la ivakashile iqembu le-TS Galaxy under pressure semuva nga 2 point na kanjani funa bawine namuhla ne-TS Galaxy funa wina show ukuthi iyahlala lapha nje ku top 8 as the coach so sikhulumisana nabo so sibuka futhi nebadlali sikhulumisana futhi abaqeqeshi after lo mdlalo kanyalo save abalandzeli ukuthi babonani lo mdlalo omkhulu utoba uqala maduzane as the coach eMbombela Stadium. Coach, thanks for your time, your analysis for the match.
To analyze something in this very, very difficult game, when we concede 6 goals, I think after 2 years. Last time I remember we conceded in Nedbank Cup against Stellenbosch 6 goals, and it's very tough and difficult to accept that. Even with 90 minutes, with 1 man less to play against Orlando Pirates, it's very, very difficult and tough. Especially if we analyze and know up front, Orlando Pirates have quality players, Mofoken, Moremi, even Apolis, even Mike, fullbacks, Hoto also, and then make the overload 5 all the time, 5 players in last line, attack, and know how to use space behind our last line and also between the lines, and then know how to play and then keep the ball and create the opportunities, and also so quick players up front. It's so difficult to defend, but again 90 minutes it's too much. But also I say, one time in 2 years this type of the game happens. We concede necessary goals. Tape have that ball to catch. He tried to catch. He dropped down. We concede the goal. We score 1 goal. The free kick also. It's we can maybe better defend. But yes, it will be. It is tough game. Tough lesson for us. But after everything, we need to build our character in tough moments. In tough moments, we need to come up stronger. And then we need to show our quality. We have quality, obviously, yes, because we create everything until now. What we create, we have semi-finals. We have enough games to fix what we mess tonight. I think we need to do that. And then I think FIFA break is coming on the best time to rest, to recover our players and prepare for the semi-final.
Coach, and then psychologically, the players to come back, what we're going to tell them, especially after they lost such game?
You know, it's part of the coaching things, and then we need to find a way how to talk with the players, how to manage everything, and then find the way how to came up for these situations. It will be tough, yes, obviously, but we need to find a way and soon. But again, the FIFA break is coming in the best time to give us 15 days to refresh and then recover our team, and also not only physically, mentally, and then to prepare for the rest of the, I hope so, 10 games, 8 in the league and 2 in the Nedbank Cup.
Coach, hard luck today. Thanks for your time.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, mqeqeshi-ke weqembu lalakhaya le-Tusker Galaxy uyasho ukuthi beyaqala nje iqembu lakhe ukuthi liconsider amagoli afana nalawa 6-0 eMbombela Stadium. The last time sibona amagoli angaka la eMbombela elang-6 sabona iqembu le-Orlando Pirates badliwa la nga-6-1 badliwa iqembu makhumbula kahle lesi-passport ngiyathethi ngilocela iqembu le-Pirates ilaqora kuqala sembe-ke ukuthi batolunga abadlali phambili after bakhonze amagoli angaka nje basathi ukuthi bebadlali bashoda almost le game yonke after bathole i-red card ku-first half. So sikhulumisana-ke nebaqeqeshi namaqeqeshi eqembu le-Pirates uve njani ubone njani umdlalo siphinde sikhulumisane futhi nebadlali ngale eqenjini le Pirates asisathe sibeke la esolenza labanye abadlali nemqeqeshi eqembu le-Pirates.
About the game, I think the boys started exactly the game like we wanted, very high. We wanted to put a very high pressure since the beginning to try to find the net quickly in order to find space. I think they really been efficient. I think it's the first time that we at least converted, let's say, 80% of our chances. It helped because most of the game we had in the league. I think the team who has created the most chances. So today it was a fantastic day for us. I said to the boys that the game is not over. The story is not over. We are going to fight until the end of the season, and after we'll see what happened. It's what they did. Brave in the game. Fantastic team spirit. I think very good football that we showed to our fans today. And regarding the fans, I'd like to really thank them because wherever we go in South Africa, especially here in Durban, the boys are supported by the fans, and you can see that they are not stressed. When we have a true support, you can see that the players are flying. But when you miss a ball or you miss a chance and you start to get booed by your own supporters, sometimes you came in the pitch and you start to be stressed and you are not in the good environment. So thanks for the fans today. They were the 12 men. It's what we are looking for, and that's it.
Yeah, sibonile ke umdlalo besulinzele namuhla iqembu le-Orlando Pirates babebo champagne bale mdlalo wanamuhla kepha nje akusibo champagne beleague bayi-league society bawinile nga-6-0. The last time bawina nga-6 noma sithola amagoli ang-6 la bebashaya bona bashaya iqembu lesi-passport. Sibe sibuka ukuthi yini le nto ke le eqenjini le-Tusker Galaxy after bathole i-red card. Bowuhlose kakhulu efielding ubonile indlela iqembu le-Pirates idlale ngakhona kepha nje musobuka le red card ngabe mhlambe ifakile ingcindezelo ukuthi i-Pirates leso kumbe vele namuhla i-Pirates betimiselo sowini.
Nawubuka it was 8, I think it was 4 minutes umdlalo uqalile, so the red card it destabilized the plans of the coach. Uyabona even the players themselves umubuko ukhumbula bathola la red card baphakamisa tandla ngiyacabanga ukuthi le red card iba disorganized. Ukhumbule ukuthi badlala iqembu leli Orlando Pirates iqembu ke lidlala ibhola lelihle and they are able to play on feet. They are able to penetrate on the spaces. Now udlala nishota lokushokona ukuthi kuba inkinga. They've got quick players as well, so that is why ubuka coach second half udonseke Mbujane because of they were able to dispossess ibhola kuye anibambile because abafana be-Pirates quick was trying to make sure ukuthi let's mhlawumbe maintain what we have considered. Unfortunately, Pirates was needed more goals because ukhumbule ukuthi amagoli at the end of the day are counter because they are chasing Lapi Championship neqembu le-Mamelodi Sundowns. And
then kuphuma ukuthi bakhiphe captain Mbujane awucabanga mhlawumbe naloko kubamoshile labafana especially naye futhi ukuthi nguyelona on goal number 3 before half time.
Angicabanga ukuthi mhlambe i-own goal mhlambe la ishayile third goal but ke nawubuka isikhathi esiningi bebakhona kumdispossessa because they are a little bit slow njengoba ngisho ukuthi bafana bePirates ba too quick for yena. I think was for tactical discipline changes in terms of what the coach was doing. It's not about the goal.
And then kuya embili after ma-player consider amagoli angaka kuyabaphazamisa engqondweni ngokubona kwakho coach able ukuthi angabaletha especially bane-run lenhle kune-Bank Cup.
It's about kubatshela ukuthi the game it's done and dusted. They must just focus. Ukhumbula iqembu le-TS Galaxy alikho libi ku-league in terms of position yabo. They've got 3 games labatwadlala like higher. They still can keep up on the pace. In terms of top 8. Still they can be able to finish with top 8 as long as ukhumbule ukuthi the next game like it's Polokwane City lapho ngiyacabanga ukuthi nabo bayota la basho ukuthi want to redeem ourselves in terms of what happened today, but they must just forget about the game. It's done. Angeke kuphinze kwendeke baphinze badlale the same game, angeke basi-reverse le score. It's about the coach just working on the psychological aspect of the players and everybody around the team to say, no guys, look, it's done, let's go forward. Football is about that. It's one of those days whereby you cannot pinpoint where did it go wrong. It was a bad day for the team.
Yeah, sibonga kakhulu isikhathi sakhe besikhuluma naye nguMark Shabane elodumenge la GPS samthola lapha kuyo i-Voice of Hope. Utholakala esikhathini ku-Voice of Hope?
Ngikhona ke every Monday between 5 and 6 and Friday 5 and 6 the sports talk with the GPS. Ngibonga isikhathi sakho bhuti. Then
bafuna ukufollowa njengoba si-live ku-podcast nyalo bafuna ukufollowa utholakala kuphi?
Vele uthi Mike Rotman ungangithola kuyo yonke indzawo la uthola khona just Mike Rotman.
Ya ngivile ke Mike Rotman bese sibuka ke game imidlalo sicisa kubuka kuwo. Akuhamba kahle ke la ekhaya iqembu le-TS Galaxy besizele ukuthi mhlambe batonda kahle bane-history kwenda kahle against ama-team lamakhulu ekhaya eMbombela Stadium. Namhla zange bahamba kahle, le-red card baphazamisile njengoba sivile GPS, kepha asithembe ukuthi batobuya ba-recover baphinde bafocus negame lebalulekile letako yemi-semi-finals. Asithembe-ke ukuthi batolungisa because ne-Milford naye ye-challenger futhi i-league ngale kuMsipha Foundation Championship. Kepha nje sibonile ukuthi ebholeni maphusa ayenda ukuthi iqembu ligcine lingasakhona ukudlala kahle after bendile lokho baze baphazamiseka. Siqhubeka-ke esikhulumisane nalabanye sibuke ukuthi babona njani umdlalo special balandzeli belicembu le-Pirates nebe-TS Galaxy. Iqembu le-Orlando Pirates bawinile namuhla nga-6-0. Sibona umlandzeli welicembu le-Sundowns. I-Sundowns itele game le bahamba imbili nga-2 point. Kanti i-Orlando Pirates nayo beyifuna ukusiwina namuhla. I-Kaizer Chiefs ina 2 games in a row bawina nga-1-0 bashaya i-Durban City bawina 2-0 bashaya icembu lapha nje le-Orbit College. Ngiqala nge-Sundowns. Akuniphazamisi namuhla yini ukuthi iqembu le-Pirates liwinile ne-goal difference ito counter because yabaleka mhlawumbe selika nama-point.
Inhliziyo yami ibuhlungu kakhulu bhuti wami. Ubuya all along from Eastern Cape ngizobuka le game la. Yazi manje mangifika lana ngiphuce kakhulu i-TS Galaxy. Ngiyayisupporta but ngizohlala ngiyisupporta. But ngithi Sundowns izothatha le league. Noba kanjani? Noba ngenzani iPirates iwine ngo-6-0 mara ngisho ukuthi ngelinye ilanga izobodliwa iPirates ithathe league.
Uyabona nibuya futhi ni-overtake iPirates because nyalo sengi-number 1 nga-1 point after iwine le game namuhla bese muva nga-2 point sengi-number 1 nyalo.
iPirates iyayazi ukuthi ihlala kuphi. Ihlala ku-number 2, 3, 4. Mina i-stage sami u-number 1. Noba kanjani, noba ngenze kanjani mina ngiyazi ukuthi league ngeyami.
Bese nemlandzeli-ke welicembu i-Kaizer Chiefs. I-Chiefs ayikho kwe-run kepha nje bona already bangenile ku-top 8. Kudliwa kwelicembu le-TS Galaxy ngicabanga bo-support iqembu le-TS Galaxy namuhla usishaya iPirates. Kuphazamise njani wena injabulo yakho nibuya tuke-win ya 2-0 itolo against Orbit College?
Mina ngishoyo ne-bridge wonke la sihamba khona ne-bridge ne angazi ngihlala eBhetali ngibuye eBhetali le bathi kune-bridge eliwile ngale angazi liwe kuphi but li-bridge liyi-1. I-Sundowns before izothatha i-league kumele idlule kubani ku-Kaizer Chiefs and iPirates ne-Sundowns. I-Sundowns ayidli yini iPirates thina i-Sundowns ngeke isidle akusumbono. It's a fact masibuka ama-games esibuya kuwo ku-Sundowns bala bathemba thina ukuthi ngenzani siluze si-draw. I-Sundowns ifuna thina ukuthi ngenzani sibakhuphule.
Yeah, sineva-ke balandzeli belicembu le-Orlando Pirates noma iqembu le-Sundowns ukhona la ujabulile ukuthi i-Sundowns winile nemlandzeli iqembu i-Kaizer Chiefs. Asithembe-ke ukuthi bajabulele le wina namuhla. Kusho kuthini kuwe kubona Mfukeng namuhla ashaya abagoli angaka?
Kungijabulisa kakhulu ngoba yaphumelela ephambili.
So wena ufuna nabani musokhulile?
Na police.
Apolice. Wena usenza bani?
Vilakazi.
Wena?
Fuke.
Wena?
Shabalala.
Yeah, sibonile ke abalandzeli belicembu le-Sundowns on the Pirates ne-Kaizer Chiefs asembe ke ukuthi bajabulile indlela umdlalo bomnumnaza khona namuhla ekusisigoal sagcina sidlala kubona amagoli angaka la eBombela Stadium sagcina kubona nga-6-0 noma nga-6-1 iPirates bashaya la ishaya iSuperSport kepha nje ekugcineni sakubona kwenteka futhi namuhla as the coach sisebombela Stadium uphelele umdlalo on the Pirates iwina nga-6-0 shaya iqembu le-Tusker Galaxy sibone bulo wanyalo nga-1 point balandzela lapha iqembu le-Sundowns. Yeah, sibonile ke umdlalo sophelile la eBombela Stadium iTusker Galaxy azange idlale kahle idliwe nga-6-0 ngicabanga mhlambe enele red card baphazamisile kepha nje on the Pirates ibuyelile ke kunobolo 1 kepha iSundowns ine game in hand basati ukuthi bete kule game le iSundowns ine hamba imbili nga 2 point bajabulile ke emabhakaniya njengobona la kimi left and right Orlando Pirates supporters are happy about this match, especially they are back on track to challenge the league. Thank you for your time today. It was a good game, especially the 6 goals that you scored and you didn't concede. It's gonna be go in hand at the goal difference when the season goes by. But today, your analysis for the game, as Pirate fan, did you expect to win, especially with these goals? The last time we saw 6 goals in this game, it was SuperSport winning 6-1 against Orlando Pirates here in the stadium.
Re na le mabaka rena a bona Pirates tlo tsa league e o bontsha metlholo pele wa bona ka mompompela ka mo ke mo sign rating ka gona gore ke rena le confidence e o tsa league maabane a re ntse re bya supportera yengwe ya rena fan ya rengwe ya rena go sa Solberg makhala njalo re netse ke pula yengwe botlhokotlhoko ke ile ka utlwa pelo yengwe ka mpetha gore wa bona pula e ke dikele tsa makhala njalo tse ene makhala njalo se first supporter ke tsebang gore yena straight Jesus Christ o mmotsa 99 aka se tšika wa itse gore Orlando Pirates this season ya 2026 supposed to it's a league and league e favor Orlando Pirates ka ngwaga wa 2026 so makhala njalo o ile le godimo ka thato ya modimo le matla a bophelo a lefase le le godimo Orlando Pirates tlo ja league this season the year 2026 se se etsagetseng ka tseno se se etsagetseng ka mompompela ke sign ya o bontsha gore ke be careful the ghost is coming. Be careful, the ghost is coming. Sepoko sietla, tsoa Mamelodi Sundowns bula space.
Yeah, seva ke ujabulile mlandzeli iqembu Orlando Pirates ukhumbuse nje baqesa hambelwa elifeni labo elikhulu makhala njalo nje basathi ukuthi bekahlala khona every game iPirates bekavamile ukuthi ngagcoka lutho emtimbeni bese ubona ukukhala ngaba mhlawumbe iPirates ingahambi kahle ipha nje ekugcineni nje baasha nemlandzeli ukuthi they dedicate this victory to makhala njalo nje basathi ukuthi bekamlandzeli omkhulu ebelicembu leOrlando Pirates sabona namuhla ndlale kahle kakhulu niwina nga 6-0 usho ukuthini kuwe nje mlandzeli iPirates all the way utela embombela for usinithole emagoli angaka nje bayibonekile namuhla.
Yeah, thank you my brother for inviting me to your podcast. It's a good thing. Keep it up. Okay, yeah. Rest in peace, Ntate Charles Makhala Njalo. Rest in peace. The performance today, yeah, we are happy with the performance. I'm impressed with the players' attitude. They showed that they want this league. We want this league. We want it, then we're gonna take it without any doubt. You understand? So this thing of saying Sundowns is high, is gone, what? There's nothing like that. There's nothing like that. So the league, we are taking the league this season. Mark my ways.
Yeah, seva ke mlandzeli iqembu leOrlando Pirates ujabulile kakhulu indlela abawine ngakhona nga 6-0 uthi bayithatha le league akanenzaba neqembu leSundowns nawe nje sabona ujabule kakhulu kugcoka kwakho nje iPirates udiva umlandzeli omkhulu uthi cabhaka uma uphuma nje la ngaphandle uva ukhululekile endlela iqembu lidisplay ngakhona endlela neperformance so uthini ngeperformance emdlali Rebukile Mfokeng?
Let me first thank you my brother for interviewing us, ne? So the performance of Rebukile Mfokeng today, it was marvelous, and then he played well today. So let the boy keep it up, so that we can manage to take this league, because of this league is belong to Orlando Pirates. So let me just say thank you guys for your hospitality today here in Mbombela. Us guys, we are from Pretoria. We came here to watch the game so that we can manage to get this 3 point. So Today, Mofokeng udlale kahle, then he performed well. Then, as we are going back today, back to Pretoria, we like to say thank you to Orlando Pirates players, the way they played today. It was a wonderful one today. They gave us that 3 points we managed to get today. So, as we are going back today, so I would like to say to the boys, we thank them as they gave all they can do for this team. I would like to say thank you.
Ngiyabonga ke balandeli belicembu Orlando Pirates sabona ke bajabule kakhulu all the way from Pretoria bakhombisa kona ukuthi balithanza icembu basuke isikhathi elesingaka basasa isikhathi sabo basuke all the way from Pretoria betela imbombela but support icembu usho konke nje support yabo zange ibe lide nje wabona namuhla bawine kahle ngimagoli asithupha ecanzeni asembe ke kusizobona irun lenhle ecenjini Pirates after bawine kahle nga 6 not kanti futhi into ephinze iba side kuya embili le goal difference because bashaya amagoli ang 6 banga concede. Thank you so much for your time as the coach in Mbombela Stadium.